guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. Alright, so today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to do the Doja Cat Candy, aka I Can Be Your Sugar When You're Feeling for That Sweet Spot TikTok dance. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Brooklyn Hayes, for being the first one to request it. Now, normally people say that I'm too fast when I do my dance tutorials, but last time when I did the Renegade TikTok dance tutorial, a lot of you were saying that I was being too slow. So today we're gonna take it up a notch. Let's see if we can keep up. But remember, you can always change your YouTube speed setting if you think I'm going too fast. Alright, let's just jump right into it. So the first part is gonna be the I can be your sugar when you're feeling for that sweet spot. And you wanna wait for I can be your, and then you start on sugar. What you wanna do is say swing your arms from side to side like that. Either you can swing both of them up, or you can just swing one of them up and the other one stays somewhere down here, right? And then when you switch, you do the same. So this one doesn't come all the way up. So whoop, whoop. Your hips go either dip up, or you can just keep your legs straight and just go from side to side, or you can even do a bit more booty if you want. So you want to go whoop, whoop, 5, 6, 7, 8, whoop, whoop. Just 2 of those, and it's on I can be your sugar when you... Well, actually it's left, right, but I mean it doesn't make that big of a difference. So I can be your sugar when you're... So from here you want to do feeling, and on feeling you want to do either up, down, because there are different versions of this, or you can do down, up. Yes, I'm just going to show you from the side. I also include some of my upper body here as well. When I do it here, yes, I would go up with my chest and down. Whoop, or when I do the other one from down up, I just go bend my knees, booty, up. Yeah, so whoom or whoom. Yes? Alright, now for the sweet spot, if you're a girl, then you want to do the snake down, booty up. And what I mean by that is you want to go down here. Now I'm not that good at it, but I'll try my best. So you want to go down, and you make sure you want to bend your knees so that you can pop your booty up. Yeah, so you want to go down, up. There is actually a more simple version of this, and that's just by you go here and then you also bend your knees, but then you just want to do it here to the front. Yeah, so you just do it sideways. I'm just going to show you here. You want to do side up. Yeah, so here, side up. I'm sure you're a lot better than me at this, so I'll just move on to the bar version. And that is, so after feeling, you just go right, left, and pop. So I just do a fake pop here with my right leg. Whoop, so flex, pop, pop. Alright, so quick recap. Girl version, it's I can be a sugar when you're feeling for that sweet spot. Alright, now let's try the boy version. So it's I can be a sugar when you're feeling for that sweet spot. Alright, so after sweet spot, you want to take your left elbow and go hi-ya. Yeah, and then you want to say arm here, around. Now you might not have the time to go all the way out here. Then you just do a small one here. And then you want to say hey. Yeah, so it's booty, and then elbow, around, and mouth. And the music goes, put me in your mouth. And you want to do from booty, you want to go, put me in your mouth. Yes, let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, put me in your mouth. So from mouth, you want to go baby and eat it till you. So basically you're just taking your left hand here and going spoon, spoon. Yeah, so let's pretend it's a bowl. Yeah, so eating, eating. And I don't know why they're holding the hand like this, but eating, eating. This is how you hold the bowl, right? So eating, eating. So again, from sweet spot, you wanna go put me in your mouth, baby, and eat it till you. So eat it till you. and then teeth, rock. Then you want to go here, still left hand, so from right, pulling to the left. Yeah, so left hand from right, pulling to the left. And this is sort of freestyle, so just do whatever you want. Alright, so I know a lot of you guys told me not to repeat it so many times, but I feel like it's time for a recap, so let's do that. Alright, so quick recap. It's I can be a sugar when you're feeling for that sweet spot. Put me in your mouth, baby, and eat it till your teeth rot. Alright, let's try a bit slower. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I can be a sugar when you're feeling for sweet spot. Put me in your mouth, baby, and eat it till your teeth rot. Alright, moving on. Next part is I can be your cherry, apple, pecan, or your key lime. Now, on the first part, I can be your cherry. You hit the whoa on cherry, so whoa on cherry. And the first part is just freestyle. You can either just wait for the I can be your cherry, or you can do a small freestyle if you want. I've seen someone do some I can be your cherry, or you can just do whatever. I can be your cherry. Yeah, or you can just do I can be your cherry. Okay, last version, I promise. So you can do I can be your cherry. Alright, so after that, she sings apple, pecan, and on pecan we want to do clap. So pecan. So let's just do it from the wall, apple, pecan. So whoa, apple, pecan. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, apple, pecan. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, apple, pecan. Okay, so after that she sings all your key lime. Here you want to say left arm, right arm. Yeah, so I'm just going to show it from the side. So you want to bring it up, 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 out. Yeah, so on key lime. Yeah, so it's cherry, apple, pecan, or your key lime. So from the wall, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cherry, apple, pecan, or your key lime. Alright, moving on to the very last part, which is baby, I got everything and so much more than she's got. So you want to start by taking your left arm up like that. So place your hand behind your head. And then you want to do it with the other arm like that. Yeah, so it's left, right, and you can even add a little upper body if you want. Here, here. From here, you want to do a body roll, so starting with your chest. So up with your chest and roll down, stomach up, down, here. Yeah, so I'm just going to show it from the side. It's just a classic wave. So chest, stomach, down, here. Boom, down. So left arm, right arm, now body roll. So let's try that one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, body roll. And the timing goes, baby, I got everything. So baby, I got everything. Now right after that, pretty easy. You just say here. Yeah, doesn't matter which arm is on top. Here it's left, so you want to say up, yeah, and then you want to say she's got, yeah, so it's baby, I got everything and so much more than she's got. I think this part is also freestyle. Do whatever you want. Yeah? Alright guys, let's tie the whole thing together from the tip to the top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna take it slow. Alright, so quick recap. It's I can be a sugar when feeling for that sweet spot. Put me in your mouth, baby, and eat it till teeth rock. I can be a cherry, apple, pecan, or key lime, baby. I got think there's so much more than she's got. Alright, let's try a bit slower. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I can be a sugar when feeling for that sweet spot. Put me in your mouth, baby, and eat it till your teeth rock. I can be your cherry, pecan, or your key lime. Baby, I got everything and so much than she's got. Alright guys, let's just try it one last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I can be a sugar when feeling for that sweet spot. Put me in your mouth, baby, and eat it till teeth rock. I can cherry, apple, pecan, or your key lime. Baby, I got everything and so much more than she's got. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the Doja Cat Candy, aka I Can Be a Sugar TikTok dance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.